Hello everybody, I am Dr. Akshat Mitra from Advanced Skin Treatment Center Meerut. Today I will be talking on lip pigmentation, which is a very common problem. Lip pigmentation, also known as lip discoloration, is characterized by the appearance of dark lips or dark spots on the lips or double tone lips. It is caused due to the presence of excessive melanin in the lip cells. Now coming to the causes of lip pigmentation, the foremost cause of lip pigmentation is stress. Yes, it is true. Stress is the cause of 80 to 90% of all the medical conditions we face, and lip pigmentation is not an exception. तो चिंता, तनाव, एंग्जाइटी, स्ट्रेस, डिप्रेशन, ये जो स्ट्रेस लेवल्स बढ़ाता है, ये कॉर्टिसोल लेवल्स बढ़ाता है, ये लिप पिगमेंटेशन का पहला कॉज. देन स्मोकिंग, intake of pan masala, gutka, chewing tobacco, this is also known as excessive smoking, may lead to pigmentation of the lips and gums. This is also known as smoker's melanosis. This is a very important reason for pigmentation of lips. Then prolonged sun exposure may lead to lip pigmentation, as it may lead to pigmentation on the skin, as sun exposure leads to pigmentation on the exposed areas of the skin like face, forehead, area of the chest, extensor aspect of the forearm. In the similar way, sun exposure can lead to freckles or labial mucosal cyst on the lips. Then dehydration, it is also a very important cause of lip melanosis. If you are exposed to strong sunny climate and strong winds, then your lips get dehydrated and it may lead to lip pigmentation. Then use of cheap or low quality or expired lip cosmetics or lip product can lead to irritant or allergic contact dermatitis and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Last but not the least, physical trauma, for example, bruise, punch or burns etc. in the lip area may lead to black or bluish discoloration of the lips. Now, other factors which leads to hyperpigmentation of lips include allergic reactions to lipstick, toothpaste, rubber, latex, leather, etc., which may lead to dry swollen lips and then resulting in post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Now coming to the internal causes of lip pigmentation, it includes iron deficiency, an overload of iron in the body, which is also known as hemochromatosis, benign skin conditions and syndromes like Peutz-Jeghers syndrome, which is characterized by gastrointestinal polyposis and lip pigmentation, Longecker-Rinziker syndrome, which is characterized by lip and genital pigmentation and pigmented bands of the nails. Now, some side effects of medications cause nail pigmentation like anti-cytotoxic, anticonvulsants, anti-malarials and tetracyclines. Some other factors which are concerned with hyperpigmentation of lips include insufficient sleep, nutritional deficiency, lack of proper routine of the day, excessive use of fluorides, and to complete the list, pregnancy and central cyanosis which is characterized by SpO2 of less than 85% in the blood. Now coming to the management, the foremost thing of importance is to prevent cracking of lips. For this you have to stop biting or smacking your lips. This is of foremost importance. Then use of a lip balm with a sunblock of at least SPF 40 to 50 should be applied 3 to 4 times a day. It provides sun protection as well as it provides moisturization. For drug therapy, you can apply kojic acid, hydroquinone and retinol preparations at night with sunblocks in the day. If the above measures does not suffice, if your pigmentation is not reducing, you can opt for laser therapy. Lasers like EcoSure or Pixie or IPL are very effective in getting rid of lip pigmentation. Now coming to the home remedies, which also play a good role in the management of lip pigmentation. First of all comes honey. You can apply honey to your lips and leave it overnight and use it at least for 3 to 4 weeks until the desired result comes. Then you can use a strawberry and raspberry balm in a aloe vera gel and leave for 10 minutes. Next, you can use olive oil on lips overnight. Then lemon can be scrubbed over the lips. Then beetroot juice can be used. It is a very good source of vitamin C. It has to be left overnight. Then almond oil and lemon can be used together. Then ice cube therapy can be used for dehydrated lips. You can take an ice cube, wrap it in a thin cloth and just massage it in a circular motion over the lips. Now coconut oil is also a very good alternative. You massage coconut oil 3-4 times and before going to bed over the lips. Other ingredients or other therapies which are used are cucumber juice, aloe vera, turmeric and pomegranate. Now in the end, I would like to summarize the tips to prevent lip pigmentation. You should exfoliate your lips once a week with a Vaseline jelly and soft tooth bristles. This will eliminate all your bacteria, dirt and extra debris and help maintain the health of the lips. So after you brush, you see the wet bristles and use the wet bristles to scrub your lips, and after that you apply a Vaseline gel. You should avoid prolonged sun exposure and must always use a lip balm of SPF 40+. You should drink plenty of water, at least 8 to 10 glasses a day, to prevent dehydration of skin and lips. You should abort your excessive intake of coffee and tea. You should avoid using cheap or allergen or irritant containing lipsticks, expired lipsticks, and in the end you should quit or avoid smoking. I hope this information will be useful for you to maintain a rosy lips. Thanking you, signing off, Dr. Akshat Mittal.